tao?
Meron po kaming pinapa-fill out po na membership forms, Your Honor.
Di pumunta sila, kusa sa iyo. Tapos sinasabi nila, gusto namin mag-membro na kaya natin. Yan ba ibig mong sabihin?
Your Honor, meron po kaming caravan of good governance sa mga...
Asus, ang dami mo termino. Meron kang champion. Yun pala ang champion ay kasapi nyo. Meron kayong caravan. Yun pala ay grupo lang ninyo. Is that good governance? You're trying to mislead the Filipino public with your prestige or your influence, even only on the basis of numericality, only on the basis of numbers. What is your proof that you have these many numbers?
Yun po, yung aming mga nagsasign up po sa aming membership list.
Saan? Saan ang pinirmahan nila?
Meron po kaming binibigay na membership form at saka online din po, Your Honor.
I will check. I will have my staff check whether you do have 1,000 because I doubt it very much.